on now. Yeah. Brand new. Look, it says smoke 3 briskets or 4 pork shoulders or 7 whole chickens. That sounds like 3 different videos to me. Let's go. It's on now. We're gonna get this thing together. It's Memorial Day weekend. And some smoking is going down. We're gonna put some meat on this thing and get it going. This shit is heavy as hell. Real deal right here. Rubber wheels. Rubber wheels. That's how you know it's legit. Oh, finally got everything out of the box. I'm exhausted. This thing is stupid heavy, but I did it. Turn it up real quick just so you can see. I like it, man. It's a pretty little thing, you know what I mean? And it's gonna be beautiful when there's smoke popping up out of it. It's coming together. Coming together nice. All right, the smoker's all together. It's looking good. It's coming. Looking good. We're almost there. Yeah, my wife's arm is jacked up right now, so my grill's jacked up as well. Stack on it. Float this shelf on here. And I got this bad baby done. We good. We're gonna be smoking up some nice meats. We got them rubber wheels. This is all good. That's how we doing it. So we don't gotta be ashamed no more. We ain't gotta try to film like this. We good now.